Let's learn about food labels. In this video, we are going to look at how the percent daily value can guide our food choices. So what is percent daily value? These percentages listed on the right-hand side of the label next to each nutrient let us know how much of a nutrient is provided by that food in relation to how much we should be getting in a day. So how can we use this information? Well, we want to begin with the serving size. Remember that this is key to our understanding how many nutrients we are eating with each serving. Now we look at all of those percentages. For each percentage, we can quickly tell if the amount of the nutrient is considered high, low, or a good source. We do this by using the 5-20 rule. If a percentage is equal to or below 5%, it is considered low in that nutrient. In this example, we can see saturated fat and cholesterol or low. If a percentage is equal to or above 20%, it is considered high in that nutrient. In this example, iron, calcium, and added sugars are all high. If a percentage falls between 6 and 19, it is considered a good source. In the example, carbohydrates and fiber fall in the middle of our ruler and are considered a good source. It is important to understand that the 5-20 rule does not determine if a food is good or bad. It simply lets us know how much of a nutrient is provided. And this is helpful when we want to make food choices. So now I know by looking at the percent daily value that a serving of this food is a good source of fiber. I also know that it is high in calcium, which is great since that is a vitamin we want to make sure we get enough of. And sodium is low for this food, which is also a smart choice since we want to eat low sodium foods. And that is how using a food label can help us make better food choices. Talk to you next time.